In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can watch TikTok videos while doing other things on your phone. You can simply watch TikTok videos while you're on other apps as well. To do this, simply open up your TikTok. Let's say you have some mails to read but you still want to watch TikTok videos, you will have to just long tap onto any video. Then tap on this option right of picture-in-picture. As you can see, this turned on successfully. Then you will see videos while doing other things on your phone. That's how easy it is. You can also enable auto scrolling to avoid getting back to the TikTok app to scroll to the next video. To do this, still get back and long tap on any video. Then select auto scroll and next posts will automatically be shown while doing other stuff on your device. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.